Got her a new cage. She's quite curious.
Check it out.
Yeah, check it out. She's quite curious about it. We'll see if she goes in. She was telling me about to put in the paper towel, and that's right. Mommy forgot to put on paper towel. Hey, we'll try it out. Here, Mommy put paper towel in too. She's got a mansion compared to the other one. Hey, Cosmos. You going to check it out? Is Mommy going to put the other toys in it?
I'll go on perch.
Yeah, you go up on that perch. You try it out. She's looking at her new mansion. Play top and everything. Wow. I'm surprised she took to it very quickly. Look at her go. This has come such a far way. She used to be super afraid of everything. She's still sketchy, as you can see, but she used to be afraid of every single thing and cry and squawk if anything was new or around her. She has come a long way. This little girl is absolutely amazing. She wants to check out her new toys. I think that's what it is too. Yeah, here we go. There she is. Wow, that's so awesome. She's so excited to be on her new cage. Well, but like I said, she's still sketchy, but the big step is that she's on it. This is the big step, and I'd like to see her go inside. It would be so awesome if she goes inside. I'm glad to share this with everybody. This is so good. Here she goes. She's going to check it out. There she goes. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay. Yeah, you could check out your whole new house. Well, your cage, because this is your house.